I'll be going over this template titled Send an Email from Gmail when a Google Sheet row is added. You can install this on the Mesa dashboard. In the template setup instructions, you'll need to connect with Google Sheets. Then you'll need to connect with Gmail. Then you'll need to name your Google Sheet spreadsheet. Then you'll need to select the spreadsheet columns that will be created on your Google Sheet spreadsheet. It is recommended to keep all your columns that are selected here. And then you'll need to fill in the email address that the email is sent from. It is important that this email address is associated to your Gmail credential. Then you're all set. To summarize the steps of this template, it starts when a Google Sheets row is created and the frequency is checking every hour. And then we will filter and make sure that we have a recipient email address, an email subject, and an email body. And if we have all three of these, we'll go to the next step. Otherwise, it will stop at the filter step. And if we do have the recipient's email address, the email message, the email subject, and the email message, then we will send an email to that recipient email address using this send email Gmail step. If you want to override this recipient email, you can click more options and select the test email override field here, and then add in your email address so it will send the email to your email address instead of the recipient email address. I am going to deselect this one and save my changes. If you wanted to add more columns to your Google Sheets spreadsheet, you can go back to this row created trigger step and view your spreadsheet here. And let's say I wanted to add some more columns here, like first name, last name. Then I'll go back to the template on Mesa and I'll hit this sync with spreadsheet button. And then to test this workflow, I will click into the test section here, and then I will go into my email spreadsheet and add in some information in this row. And then I'll go back to the template and refresh. Now I see my existing row here and I can view the data and I can see that it has all of the columns. And then I can go ahead and test my workflow. Looks like that test was successful and I should be receiving a new email in my Gmail client.